Exercise Unit 7 and 8. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, now. Can you count from 1 to 20?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 5,
15.
7, 8, 9, 10.
What can you see?
I can see
How many cards do you have? How many cards do you have? How many blocks do you have?
15 blocks.
Okay. How many dice do you have? How many dolls do you have? How many marbles do you have? What is this? Now, can you use the prepositions in, on, and under? Is your favorite fruit? Okay, how about what is your favorite food? Okay, next. Now, what is that? Okay. Are there any tomatoes? No, there aren't. Okay. Is there a lime? Okay. Are there any cupcakes? Okay, now. Is there an onion? Okay. Would you like some cake? Would you like some chicken? Would you like some pizza? Would you like some fries? Would you like some ice cream? Okay. Would you like some fish? Now, what do we use to eat fish? How about noodles?